Any CVEs that are not applicable, such as false positives and those deemed not important to your product, can be whitelisted. For example, let's say we want to whitelist CVEs for Qt. In the Packages section, we can see there are a total of 5 of them. To whitelist the vulnerabilities, locate Qt in the Packages column in the CVEs list and then click on the drop-down to the left of the CVE row. In the Move to Whitelist drop-down, select Package to whitelist all CVEs for Qt, or select CVE entry to whitelist only the CVE entry in the row. Now, when we go back to the package list and filter for all CVEs, we'll see the 5 CVEs for Qt have been moved to the whitelist column.